Cost price is 2200. Discount is 30%. Find the selling price. For discount related question, we will be having three variables always. One is cost price, second is selling price, third is discount. So discount related question, write down the data collection as cost price, selling price, discount. Make the tabular column which is having these three variables. When we are collecting the data, make a note. The first or the second, you can exchange. The first row will be non-percentage column. First row will be the non-percentage row. Second one will be the percentage row. You can even interchange these two, percentage and non-percentage rows you can exchange. Now, in non-percentage, 2200. 30% discount, see here, percentage row in this you should write 30%. Find the selling price. Selling price is here the question mark. Now what is the meaning of 30% discount? Now we need to fill these two boxes. If discount is 30%, what is the cost price and what is the selling price? And remember, it is the row all about percentage. Now for it, 30% meaning we should know, we should realize. The meaning of 30% is for 100 rupees, it is 30% discount. What is 100? 100 is the cost price. That is, if cost price is 100, selling price is, after allowing 30% discount. Discount means from the cost price we need to subtract 30. That is 100 minus 30 is 70 rupees is the selling price. That means when any article whose cost price is 100, after allowing 30% discount, its selling price will be 70 rupees. In this type of question, this data collection is very crucial, very important. We should be more careful and we should understand the question clearly. Comprehension is important. Now, we need to consider out of these three columns, we need to consider only two columns. Which two columns is, see here. In this, readings are not given. In this box, reading is not considered. So, do not consider this column. That means we have to consider cost price column and selling price column. And let me tell you, cost price, selling price, discount, all these are considered as in direct proportion. We call these things as said to be in the direct proportion form. What is the meaning of direct proportion? If I consider this cost price as X and the selling price as Y, then X1 by Y1, these two, okay, is equal to X2 by Y2. So now X1 stands for 2200 and Y1 is question mark. X2 is 100 and Y2 is 70. Substitute the reading in this structure and we call this as direct proportion. So X1 is 2200, Y1 is question mark, let it be Y1 only. X2 is 100 and Y2 is 70. Now do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 2200 into 70, Y1 into 100. Now retain this Y1 here. Transpose this 100. Transfer it to the right hand side. So it will be 2200 into 70 by 100. Two zeros cancel. Now remaining factors in the numerator are 22 and 70. The product of this 22 and 70 is the product of this 22 and 70 is 1540 rupees. What is this 1540? It is the selling price. So this is another way where we are using direct proportion relation to find out the selling price. The same relation you can use even to calculate cost price or discount or anything.